I've used this method to win not one, but 2 cars. I don't talk about this one as much. Okay, so the way we're gonna do this is with affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna give a 20-second explanation if you are totally new to affiliate marketing and you need like a 5-minute version. This video is for you. What is affiliate marketing and how it all works, basically. But for simplicity's sake, all affiliate marketing is where I, an affiliate marketer, refer customers to a company, okay? And then that company pays me when those customers sign up and buy their products. Okay, that's all it is. They give me a special link to do that with. When someone clicks my link and buys, the company pays me money. There's affiliate marketing, at its core. So the way we're going to do this is a lot of these companies, they're monthly. Okay, so these companies have monthly charges that they charge the customers. They're like softwares and memberships and things like that. And because they're a monthly cost to the customers, they're really happy when you send them customers that stay, right? And so these companies will pay you. They'll give you a dream car if you can get up to like 50 or 100 active customers. So people that signed up with your link that are still actively using the program or software, okay? So that's what we're doing here, is we're taking advantage of that, okay? Now, there's 5 I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you 5 programs, and then I'm gonna show you some of the coolest ways that you can dominate these programs. I promise you, I can virtually guarantee there are a few of these that you have never thought of, never heard of, and you can do as a brand new person to this whole affiliate marketing game, okay? So bear with me as we go over these 5 real quick. The first one is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a funnel building software for small businesses. You guys know, you're my audience. You've seen me promote ClickFunnels aplenty. It's kind of like the father of the Dream Car program. But if you get 100 active users using ClickFunnels through your link, you win a car. The next one is called Kajabi. This is like an online course creator software. Okay, it helps online course creators host their courses and market their courses and things like that. And so I think it's only 50. If you get 50 active users, then you can win the Dream Car. So there's a win. The next one is actually in the Forex space. So this is one of the coolest softwares I've ever come across. It's like the closest thing to making money in your sleep that I've ever actually come across that doesn't involve like massive amounts of work for years beforehand, okay? Anyway, it's a software that trades Forex for you. It's called BLUEEDGE Financial. If you refer 100 people to them that use their software to trade Forex, then they buy you a dream car. Also, down below, there's gonna be a link. If I know a lot of my audience right now is like, what? You've never talked about this. I know, I haven't. It's kind of something I've been like testing for the last few months on the back end. Anyway, it's crazy awesome. There's an affiliate link down below, and you can kind of get started with BLUEEDGE if you're interested more in that. MarketingBoost. Okay, MarketingBoost, they're a lead generation company. They basically help companies like mortgage brokers and real estate people and anybody that's trying to get leads. They help them convert those leads by letting them give away vacations. Okay, that sounds crazy, but they basically let them give away unlimited vacations to their clients and their leads. And it obviously helps convert more leads when you're giving away free vacations. And I won't talk about how that all works in the back end, but that's what they do. And the last one is Builderall. This is my second dream car. They're kind of like an all-in-one marketing solution for small businesses, from email to websites to funnels to video hosting. All that stuff inside one platform is their goal. And they're the same thing. You get 100 people referred and you get that dream car. So those are the 5. This is what I would do here. I would go through those 5. I would pick one. Say, that's the car I want to win. Okay, I want to win their dream car. And then I would just go crazy on that one platform. Okay, don't try to win 5 cars at the same time. You won't win any cars. But pick one of these. And now I'm going to talk about kind of what this strategy entails, okay? Please watch all the way through this section, because I'm going to start and I know what's going to happen. A bunch of people are going to peel away because they're going to say, I don't have a blog, or I don't have any authority, or I don't have an audience. This doesn't work for me. This whole thing is built around not having authority, okay? That's what this whole strategy is built around. But let me show you how it works. So we want to dominate search engines, okay? We want to completely dominate search engines, meaning when people are searching for these products, so when someone's searching for ClickFunnels or Kajabi or MarketingBoost, we want to own the search engine, okay? We want them to like almost be guaranteed to click through our affiliate link when they're searching for those products or other things about those products, like what are these products or how these products work or demos of these products, right? We want to just own that. So we don't have to own that with our own authoritative blog, okay? You don't need a blog to own Google. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. This is a keyword, how to build a website in ClickFunnels, okay? So this is one of those ClickFunnels keywords that I'm talking about here. You see when someone types that in into Google, right? The first thing they see is this massive box. And if you look here, it's actually a YouTube description. It's my YouTube description, okay? And they're pulling it, and I'm owning half of the Google search bar here with a YouTube description. And if you go down, the first video is also my YouTube video, okay? So what this is doing here, and this works with YouTube, it works with Quora, you can do it with Reddit, you can do it with lots of these search engines, Pinterest. What we're doing is we're hijacking their authority, okay? YouTube is a very authoritative site. And that means that Google loves to pull in YouTube when people are searching because it knows YouTube can help them. And so I'm hijacking YouTube's authority and I'm able to own that right there, right? And then you can see I'm owning the next thing in the video. And then actually if you go down right below ClickFunnels themselves, I'm also owning that spot. So this is what I'm talking about by owning the search engine, okay? Warning, this actually requires you to create content and do work. Okay, and like I said, you can do this with Quora too. So if you saw that where we were on when we first got here, when someone types in what are ClickFunnels, and by the way, I'm going to show you how to find all these funny things that people are typing in, and I'm going to show you how to dominate for both of these platforms, okay? So keep watching. We're going to show you all the details here. We're just trying to get you in the right mindset so you understand how cool this is. But look, Quora. The first things when someone types in what are ClickFunnels, because a lot of people don't understand what ClickFunnels is, so that's how they search for it. But that's a Quora question, okay? So we can take that and we can own Quora, and you can see because of this bar right here that people can click, Quora is the only thing people see when they come here. If you can own that spot in Quora, you can own the entire search, right? The entire page is being owned by you. And then once again, you can throw out a YouTube video and own that as well. And you can own out a blog post like Dan Frigo is here, and you can own that as well, okay? You can also pay to play, okay? So I think 3 of these 5 programs still allow running ads. So you can run an ad here. And when I say run an ad, let me show you. When someone types in ClickFunnels here, there's an ad here, right? ClickFunnels no longer allows this, okay? But other programs do. But you can run ads and you can own the top spot by paying there to be there, okay? So you can run an ad and own the top spot. You can, in fact, if we go back, I'll show you. There was a point in my existence, a very awesome point in my existence, where I had an ad here, okay? I had a little website in ClickFunnels, that was me. And then I had the YouTube beneath that, and then I had the video beneath that, and then I had the blog, two beneath that. Like, I am virtually guaranteed to get a click when someone's searching for this, right? Through one of these platforms. This is called dominating a search engine, right? And probably the least click thing is my blog. You would think Google's all about blogging, right? But it's not anymore. Like, it's pulling in all these different places, and you can hack their authority, and you can own this. Let's talk about how. You're still watching. Great, you made it through the hard part. Let's talk about how, okay? You're going to use a tool called Ahrefs. And if you're not familiar with Ahrefs is a keyword research tool that can help you understand what people are searching for online. They have a trial for $1 for 7 days. You can do everything I'm talking about in that 7 days. So you're going to go to Quora. You're going to go to Ahrefs. You're going to type in Site Explorer right there. And then you're going to go to Quora.com, okay? And you're going to click search. Now what it's doing is it's searching for all the things Quora.com is ranking for. But we're going to dive in just a little bit deeper here. We're going to go to organic keywords. So we're looking for the keywords they're ranking for. And then we are going to type in include ClickFunnels, okay? You can do this with all these platforms, by the way, or any platform there is out there. And what do we see? We see that it owns, for what are ClickFunnels? It actually ranks number 4th for ClickFunnel and ClickFunnels with spaces, which lots of people still search that way, okay? Are you seeing this here? What is a ClickFunnel? What is ClickFunnels? Is ClickFunnels worth it, right? All these different things that Quora is ranking for. So what we need to do now is just rank in Quora. And Quora is a lot easier to rank for, I promise, than Google. Its algorithm is much simpler. There's a lot less competition. And Google is already pulling the Quora answer. So if your answer is the top of Quora, your answer is the one that shows up in Google. Okay, now we can do the same thing with YouTube, okay? By the way, if you guys are liking this, like, if what you just learned is like, boom, because it blew my mind when I first learned it, give me a like, give me a subscription, give me a comment, give me something, give me all 3, right? Like, give me some love here, a tip. But anyway, you go to youtube.com and you type in the same thing, right? You want to know what's ranking in YouTube for ClickFunnels. And I can type in ClickFunnels here. And this is going to tell me everything I can now hijack for, well, in a minute. Okay, and there we have it. It says, hey, YouTube is ranking for the actual keyword ClickFunnels, okay? It's showing up in position 5, there's a video. ClickFunnels pricing, there's a YouTube video. How to clone a funnel, there's a YouTube video showing up number 1, okay? You see all this, and it's basically telling you like, hey, you could go write a blog post, you could start a blog, and a year from now, right, maybe your blog will be ranking for that. Or YouTube is already being pulled into this search. So you can just make a good YouTube video and hijack this, hijack YouTube's authority, and you're in. Okay, so what do we do next? We create content, okay? And what does that mean? What does creating content mean? Well, it's different for each of these platforms, but for YouTube, it involves creating a better video and a video that gets more links, right? We've talked about this in other videos, how to get links to YouTube videos and stuff, but it involves building a better video, and then your video will slowly rise to the top of YouTube. It'll get links. You'll probably have to do a little bit of link building, which if you're not familiar with that, search link building in YouTube, and there'll be a million things that show you how to build some links to that YouTube video. And then you can rank that YouTube video way, way, way easy, okay? Quora is a little different. Quora it's got a little algorithm, right? And it's based on like upvotes, basically. Upvotes and like who answers the question the best. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hop into Quora. You're gonna say like, okay, who is owning this, right? Let's go back to that what are ClickFunnels search here. And we'll click into it and we'll say, and I'm actually running an experiment right now on this exact keyword to see if we can take Quora in like a matter of days. But you can see there's 48 answers. There's 48 people you're competing with. This is the first answer. Let's see, it's okay. It's okay. It's got, it's fairly easy to read and stuff. Oh, it looks like I'm already up to the second or third answer. So what you're doing is you're trying to make a better answer, okay? So you're gonna go look and you're gonna say, look, Quora lets you put in images, it lets you put in video, it lets you bold text, italic text, underline text. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a more appealing answer that's easier to read, easier to understand. When you first look at it, it's just more appealing, right? It doesn't look intimidating to read. And you do things like that, and not every time, but a lot of times your Quora answer will overtake their Quora answer. So I just answered this one yesterday. I got a few of my friends to give me an upvote on Quora. This is literally all I did. I tried to make my answer a little simpler to read, right? It's got some bold in there. I've got some things like that. I'm still gonna edit some more and do some images. I got my friends to do some upvotes, and I think I'm at 250 impressions right now on this, okay? And the way I'm making money off it, right, is I'm sending them to my YouTube video that talks about this exact same thing. I've got away with affiliate links in Quora sometimes, and sometimes I get shut down with them, okay? So I would recommend sending for like a YouTube video or a blog post that then has your affiliate link. But sometimes you can just do an affiliate link and no one does anything. So I guess be as risky as you want. So that's all we're doing in both YouTube and Quora and Reddit and whatever these are. You're making a better piece of content. You're going out and you're looking at what's out there currently, what's showing up, and you're saying, what are the shortfalls of this? Like, how can I make something better that has a higher chance of showing up, right? And a lot of times it's not that hard. Like, I've seen some terrible Quora answers and some terrible YouTube videos showing up. In fact, I've had some terrible videos that ranked. So we just need to go make something better. All right, let's talk about the moral of this video. It's about content, okay? It truly, owning search engines, it's about making content. You've got to buckle down and just make content. Get rid of all the fluff, all the distractions you're doing. When you get in and log in every day and you check your Facebook and you check your emails and you get distracted and watching videos and things like that. Like, as soon as this video ends, and maybe watch a few more to help the algorithm, but you go and you just start creating content. I promise you'll be blown away as you just start getting in there and doing what I'm showing you here. Some things will take off, some things will not. You'll start to get better at it. Get rid of all the distractions, create content. I promise you'll see results. That's my guarantee. Now, up next, this video can help you it's very similar to what we just talked about. I'd watch this video and go from there. Thanks so much for watching, guys.